Hi, I'm Avni Sikka, Principal Design Consultant at Artec Engineering Solution. We have 17 years of extensive experience in designing various infrastructure projects. Our projects includes residential development, commercial development, various corporate offices, hospital infrastructure, government infrastructure, and many more. The list goes on, and we are proud that we are sustainable partner in this construction industry. When I bought this office, so what you see blank walls, you see flooring, and interior designer is giving you a layout where you will see that these are going to be the furniture, these are going to be the utility areas. So you can see everything on paper when an interior drawing or an architecture drawing is coming to you. But how you will feel in that space comes through MEP. If you see architect will give you an overall look of the building, but MEP can add feel to that building and make that space livable. So when it comes to your comfort, when it comes to your overall experience, MEP plays a very important role. So I feel that clear communication and early integration of MEP planning are the key. So when developers involve MEP experts from the initial design phase, we can optimize system to align with the project's vision. So AAA Realty understands this and they always give priority to functional requirements along with the aesthetic. So it makes the building seamlessly integrated architecturally, MEP point of view and structurally. So whenever we design any building, we prepare a bill of quantity so that we come to know that what is going to be the cost of the any component in the building. So along with the BOQ, we also make specification. So they never compromise on specification part. They always give importance that what is important for building should be there. So even if the costing factor is somewhere high, but if it is required for the building, they always give priority for that. They are always involved in any communication. So whenever we are asking a space to architect or we are doing some internal transitions like we are asking for a space where we require additional ducts area or where we require additional space to accommodate my electrical rooms or HVAC ના outdoor માટે વધારે જગ્યા જોઈએ છે એવા કોઈ પણ ડિસ્કશનમાં they actively participate with us. So they consider this as their responsibility that all the stakeholders are working together so that the project becomes a successful deliverable at the end. The major challenge comes when we have planned a floor plan with 10 offices, but suddenly it happens that the entire floor is taken by somebody. So the electrical requirement, the HVAC requirement and overall functional requirement of the building changes. So at that time, it is we have to make a building future ready. We have to plan the ducts in a way that even a one-to-one AC can also fit, a VRV system can also fit, and at the same time, કાલુઠીને મારે કોઈ HT consumer, like for example, if 3 floors are clubbed together, I might have to give space for an extra DG set or extra transformer. Parking is these days a challenging thing because even if you provide parking for two-wheeler, parking for four-wheeler, you will find that people are always complaining about parking. So when we are planning a basement ventilation system, we have to plan it in a way that during rush hours, you never feel that basement is not well ventilated. And we also have to plan exit plan in a way that there is no traffic during exit plans. Security aspects are also very crucial when it comes to a commercial design. So how the CCTVs are planned, how the access control is planned, how the entry boom barrier acts when a visitor car is coming. So all these challenging works are there, but I'm glad that the way we provide solution and the way acceptance is there from the developer side. I mean, it feels seamless. I mean, whenever we work with them. So whenever we are designing any building, we keep in mind that we do designing which is compliance to codes and standards, which is energy efficient, sustainability aspects like EV car charging, solar power points, package STP plans, rainwater harvesting systems are there. Not only the requirements of power, but we also take measure that whatever quality of power is given to a building is also considered based on the compliant ISO standards or compliant to the energy audits. I mean, 70%, 80% people are male in this industry, but I am happy that women are entering into this industry. But I would say the support I received from all of them to reach at this level was immense and was really overwhelming. So I actually admire that more women join this industry, not only at designing level, but even at contracting level, even at execution level. So I feel that MEP is the next future. So it was pleasure discussing how engineering contributes to creating inspiring spaces with AAA Realty. Thank you.